You're watching Turbo Trendz TV, the channel where power meets precision and luxury meets innovation. Today, we're taking a deep dive into one of Lexus's most refined creations yet, the 2026 Lexus NX. This latest evolution of Lexus's compact luxury SUV blends sharp styling, cutting-edge technology, and smooth performance into a package that's designed to redefine what premium comfort feels like. So, buckle up as we explore the 2026 Lexus NX inside and out, from its striking design to its powerful heart and luxurious interior. Exterior. At first glance, the 2026 Lexus NX makes a bold statement. The front end immediately commands attention with Lexus's signature spindle grille, now redesigned with a sleeker and more integrated look. The grille's mesh pattern flows seamlessly into the body lines, giving the NX a sense of motion even when standing still. The headlights are slimmer and sharper, featuring Lexus's advanced triple-beam LED technology that not only looks futuristic but delivers crystal-clear visibility at night. The sculpted hood adds muscular definition, while the lower rear intakes and chrome details bring a sporty, yet elegant personality to the face of this SUV. Everything about the front says modern sophistication, but with a touch of aggression that hints at what's underneath. Moving along the side, the NX showcases its athletic proportions beautifully. The roofline has a gentle slope, balancing aerodynamics with a sleek coupe-like silhouette. Subtle character lines flow from the front fenders through the doors, creating a sense of fluid motion. The wheel arches are pronounced, housing stylish alloy wheels that range up to 20 inches, depending on the trim. The combination of sculpted surfaces and sharp edges gives the NX a sense of power and poise. Chrome accents along the window surrounds and flush-fitting door handles add a touch of refinement. The overall stance feels confident, elegant enough for a downtown arrival, but tough enough to look at home on a winding mountain road. At the rear, the 2026 NX carries forward Lexus's new design direction. The full-width LED light bar stretches across the tailgate, connecting the sleek L-shaped taillights that have become a modern Lexus signature. The Lexus name is spelled out boldly across the rear, replacing the traditional logo for a cleaner and more contemporary finish. The sculpted bumper and integrated dual exhaust outlets give the SUV a sporty tone, while a subtle rear spoiler adds to its aerodynamic efficiency. It's an impressive view from every angle, labeled futuristic, and instantly recognizable as a Lexus. Interior. Open the door, and you're greeted by an interior that defines modern luxury. The 2026 NX's cabin has been crafted with an obsessive attention to detail. Soft-touch materials cover nearly every surface, and the seats are wrapped in high-quality leather with contrast stitching that exudes sophistication. The driver-focused cockpit design, known as the Tizuna concept, centers everything around you. The dashboard gently wraps toward the driver, with controls and displays positioned intuitively for easy access. Dominating the center console is a large touchscreen display up to 14 inches on higher trims, featuring Lexus's latest multimedia system. It's quick, smart, and intuitive, with crisp graphics and voice command capabilities that actually work well. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, and there's also wireless charging, multiple USB ports, and an optional 17-speaker Mark Levinson surround sound system that turns every drive into a concert on wheels. Ambient lighting with customizable colors lets you set the mood, whether it's a calm evening commute or a spirited night drive. The front seats are supportive and comfortable, offering heating, ventilation, and multiple memory settings. In the back, passengers get generous legroom and reclining seat backs, ensuring comfort for long trips. The panoramic sunroof floods the cabin with natural light, and sound insulation has been improved dramatically to keep the outside world where it belongs. Outside cargo space is more than adequate for a weekend getaway, and with the split folding rear seats, practicality meets luxury in perfect balance. Performance. Now let's talk about what lies under the hood. The 2026 Lexus NX lineup offers several powertrain options to suit different driving styles. The base NX 250 features a naturally aspirated 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine delivering around 203 horsepower, smooth and efficient for daily driving. Stepping up to the NX 350 gives you a turbocharged 2.4-liter engine pushing out 275 horsepower and 317 pound-feet of torque, paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. This setup provides strong acceleration and confident overtaking power, while maintaining the refined quietness Lexus is known for. For those who prioritize fuel efficiency, the NX 350 hybrid combines a 2.5-liter gasoline engine with electric motors to produce 240 horsepower, achieving impressive mileage without compromising performance. There's even a plug-in hybrid variant, the NX 450 Plus, offering 304 horsepower and an estimated electric-only range of around 35 miles, perfect for short commutes on pure electric power. All-wheel drive is available across most trims, enhancing traction and control in any driving condition. On the road, the NX delivers an excellent balance between comfort and agility. The steering feels precise, and the suspension absorbs bumps with ease while keeping body roll minimal during cornering. Lexus has tuned the chassis for a composed and confident ride, making it one of the smoothest SUVs in its class. The cabin remains whisper quiet, even at highway speeds, and the new NX feels more connected to the road than ever before. Safety has always been a Lexus priority, and the 2026 NX comes fully equipped with the Lexus Safety System Plus 3.0 suite. This includes adaptive cruise control, lane tracing assist, pre-collision braking with pedestrian detection, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system. Advanced driver aids like traffic jam assist and automated parking make driving easier and safer in any environment. When it comes to pricing, the 2026 NX offers a variety of options to fit different budgets within the luxury compact SUV segment. The NX 250 starts at around $43,000, offering an attractive entry point into Lexus ownership. The more powerful NX 350 starts near $48,000, while the hybrid NX 350 comes in at about $46,000. The plug-in hybrid NX 450 Plus tops the range at roughly $57,000, with fully loaded models reaching close to $60,000 when equipped with premium packages and high-end features. For what it offers: a luxury, technology, performance, and brand reliability, the NX delivers solid value. After spending time with the 2026 Lexus NX, it's clear that this SUV isn't just an update, it's a statement. Lexus has managed to create a vehicle that captures modern luxury while staying true to its legacy of quality and refinement. It's stylish without being flashy, high-tech without being overwhelming, and powerful without sacrificing comfort. Whether you're navigating city streets, cruising down the highway, or escaping for a weekend adventure, the NX feels composed, capable, and deeply satisfying. If you're in the market for a compact luxury SUV that blends Japanese craftsmanship with cutting-edge design and a genuinely relaxing driving experience, the 2026 Lexus NX should be at the top of your list. It's elegant, efficient, and engineered to impress. You've been watching Turbo Trendz TV, your ultimate destination for the hottest car reviews, automotive news, and trend-setting rides from around the world. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the 2026 Lexus NX, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss a review. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one, where innovation meets performance, right here on Turbo Trendz TV.